Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up eye comfort and blue light filter on INFINIX Note 30 VIP. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and we're gonna go to settings. Now in these settings, we want to go to display and brightness, and here what we need to do is we need to go over, and here we have the dark theme. So this is the first thing I always do when I go over and get myself ready to sleep, but I'll turn it back on later because now you guys cannot see the letters normally, so I'll keep it like that for a second. First, make sure to enable eye care. Now after you enable eye care, you will see that it is already trying to get rid of the blue light and that it's setting up for our comfort. Now here, as you guys can see, there's not a lot of settings, but we're interested in color style, and here you can go over, and as you guys can see, we can change it once we turn the eye care off. So we got options like these. As you guys can see, we can keep the original color and we're gonna put it as warm, because if we put it as cool, then that's basically just blue and we don't want it. So we can either use the warm color right here and it looks pretty good, but we all know that if we enable eye care, it will be deeper. So now even you can see that it's trying to get rid of the blue light, even though it's all blue. For me, it does not look blue at all. It looks like it's soothing my ear, my eyes, and we can simply get a combo with the dark theme and the eye care, and here this is the result. So your eyes can rest, and that's how you guys can easily set everything up. So now let's bring it all back to default. This is how it looks like normally, and there's a big difference. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.